If you're losing your hair, you don't have to. I'm Dr. T with Avalon Laser, and let me tell you why you do not need to get a hair transplant. This is both for the men out there and for the women. Hair transplants are expensive. They have a lot of downtime, especially if you're traveling somewhere else to get them done. They can leave a scar in the back of your head, and they can actually result in hair loss later, a temporary thing that sometimes happens while the new hair is growing in, which means you're waiting about a year for all that hair to grow back. Let me tell you an easier way. If you're the right candidate, we can do platelet-rich plasma on men and women and restore your own hair. It is so much more easy, it is so much safer, and there's no downtime. You can go about your business in less than 1 day. With a series of treatments, most candidates can see hair growth in as little as 4 months, and the hair growth is permanent. All you have to do is maintain it with some topicals so it doesn't fall back out again. And we've seen this for many clients who've had it done, who are raving about the results and have avoided all the costs and downtime of a hair transplantation procedure. If you're losing your hair, come visit us. We'd love to talk to you and see how this might work for you as a much more cost-effective alternative. Thank you so much for watching.